Once upon a time, there was a boy named Ahmed who was very fond of playing the mobile game Free Fire. He would spend hours every day playing the game and became so engrossed in it that he started neglecting his studies. Ahmed's parents were concerned about his academic performance and tried to motivate him to focus more on his studies. They knew that Ahmed enjoyed watching videos online, so they decided to use this to their advantage. They searched for informative videos related to topics that Ahmed was interested in, such as gaming, technology, and sports. They found videos that highlighted the importance of education, time management, and setting goals for the future. They showed these videos to Ahmed, hoping that they would inspire him to change his ways. At first, Ahmed was reluctant to watch the videos and thought they were boring. But as he watched more and more of them, he began to realize the value of education and how it could help him achieve his dreams. Slowly but surely, Ahmed started to shift his focus away from Free Fire and towards his studies. He began to set goals for himself and made a plan for how he could balance his time between studying and playing games. Thanks to his parents' efforts and the inspiring videos they showed him, Ahmed started to improve his grades and became more motivated to learn. He even found ways to integrate his love for gaming into his studies, such as learning about the technology behind game development. In the end, Ahmed realized that education was just as important as his hobbies and interests. He continued to enjoy playing games but also made sure to prioritize his studies, knowing that it would help him achieve his dreams in the future.